It is clearly stated in the book of Genesis. Nung nag-create na, nagawa na si Adam, napansin ng Panginoon, according to the story, na medyo napansin ng Panginoon, malungkot si Adam. Kasi nag-iisa siya. So ang sabi ng Panginoon, using my own language now, pero it is recorded in the book of Genesis. Sabi ng Panginoon, it's not good for man to be alone. I will make a suitable partner for him. So ginawa si Eve. To my mind, allow me to interpret it on my own. I may be wrong, but these are my thoughts to share. Nung sinabi ng Panginoon na it's not good for man to be alone, I will make a suitable partner for him. It's not only that God instituted the sacrament of marriage. To my mind, it was also the time when God institutionalized or formalized the value and the importance of the family. If you look at the family, yun yung vehicle ng Panginoon. Yun yung pamamaraan ng Panginoon to create more love because it is in the family na binibigyan ng hugis at kulay at buhay ang pag-ibig.